Good morning. It is time for some French toast berry pancakes. Don't know if I have berries, but I'm pretty sure I do. But I might not use them. I'll just do the pancakes by themselves. So let's go. I had very little sleep. I wouldn't say very little, but I didn't have enough. Yeah, what am I doing? I do want 2 servings. Yeah, I got about 5 hours. It's not enough sleep, not for me. Let's see, what am I doing? Let me see if I have some berries. No, I do, but I don't feel like opening a bag. But I'll do some. I'll do some other stuff. I got a little tropical blend here. I like this tropical blend. It's got some coconut in there, and mango and papaya. All my favorite things. A lot of my favorites in here. I got a lot of coconut in here. Try to get a little more fruit to balance it out. There we go. Love coconut. Alright. Now we're going to jump to the egg white portion. Get my blades on there because everybody knows how frustrating it is to do these blades. Oh my god, these blades are so tough. Now, one thing, anytime you clean the machine and you mess with the gasket, you disturb the gasket somehow, and you put it on for the first time, the gasket doesn't always seat 100%. You see how it's like, well, you probably can't really see it, but it's bulging out here for a second. So the trick is to get it to where, you tighten it, and then you back it out again, and then you tighten it again. Easy as pie, and now the gasket is 100% seated. That's how to prevent the leaks. Sometimes that'll happen, and it'll leak a little bit, and people, oh my god, it's leaking, it's a piece of crap, all this money I spent on this machine. Ah. Listen, just don't be stupid, and be a whiner and complainer. Back off, and think about the issue and solve the issue. Don't whine about it. But that is the main issue with the gasket. And it doesn't matter what machine it is. Like, that's just part of it. Damn, that's a lot of Am I doing 2 servings or 1 serving? I might have to hold on a sec. Yeah, 1 serving. Let me go back down here. I need half of this. Yeah, I poured way too much. I got the wrong servings on there. But that's not a big deal. I can just pour it right back into my container. I got a funnel here. I just pour it right back in. A funnel is indispensable in the kitchen. Okay. Still 2. Hold on a sec. I gotta do this over. Yeah. Alright, that was my bad. Let me leave this. Okay. Don't want want the bowl. Oh, for crying out loud. My scale turned off. You know, sometimes it happens with this one because the batteries, I don't know, some about it, it just like turns off by itself. I might have to have that issue looked at by customer service. It's out of warranty, so it kind of, this part that sucks. 50 grams. This is why we do things live on the vlog, because sometimes problems do come up. They're very minor problems. Okay, 8 ounces, that's what I want. And it was my mistake because I'm so messed up right now. I cannot function on just a few hours sleep. Like, it's bad. Real bad. Okay. Okay, no worries. We just back off, do it again. Scale shut off on me, which was like, what? That's okay, we just keep on moving. If it was a big recipe, and it probably would have been ruined, but yeah, I don't know about that issue. There's what I want to try, because it could be the batteries. It could be the batteries just being trashed. This scale has like a power cord adapter, so you can put a power cord on it. So it doesn't have to depend on batteries. So I may try that and see if I continue having issues. But I mean, there's no worries. We have a backup because my wife also has a scale, same exact scale, and that one works fine. See, one of the things about my scale is I had batteries in it, and one of the batteries exploded, so the battery acid kind of got on the connections all over the place. So that's probably part of the reason why this thing shuts off on its own sometimes, is the corrosion on those terminals. It kind of messes with it. I just have to clean the contacts a little more and see if that'll help. If not, I'll see if Vitamix will help me out. Sometimes something will be out of warranty and they'll still come out and let you get a full service. Is that, I think? Yeah, some people don't. They have stories about, you know, the Vitamix machines being out of warranty, but you know, Vitamix still hooks them up. So I mean, that you can't. People bitch and moan about things, but man, you can't complain about that warranty. The customer service, top notch at Vitamix, and that's very, very hard to find. Like, it seems like every time you have a warranty with a company, they just want to weasel their way out of it, and it's like, come on, it's almost like any kind of insurance, whether it's car insurance, home insurance, whatever the case may be. Like, all these companies, they just want to weasel out of everything and blend it up. Motor pitch changed, which means that it is thickened up. So I'm just gonna go drop my stuff in here. Slow that down a bit. That was too fast. Gotta break down that coconut. Okay. Oh, my eggs are done. Turn those off. Alright, there we go. Now my batter is done. I have like little bits of the fruit in there, so that's pretty good. 360 calories is good. French toast is typically higher in calories than my anabolic French toast. That's why I like to have the anabolic French toast more often than the pancakes, but that's fine. Now I just put the remainder of this fruit in the bag and let it go back into the freezy land. So they can go sweet dreams back in the freezer. And that's basically it. I am done. And that's it. Love this machine. Bye-bye.